Hello everyone, and today we are looking at this IRISUSA 54 quart 6-pack of bins. These durable containers are proudly made in the USA using high quality and safe materials. Each spacious bin measures 22 inches long to provide plenty of room for tools or seasonal decorations. The transparent design lets you see exactly what is inside without ever opening the secure locking lid. You can easily stack these bins to save space or use the pull handle for quick access. The BPA-free and acid-free plastic material keeps your clothing and decorations safe for many years. These versatile organizers are perfect for keeping your closets and garages looking very neat and tidy. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.